So in this video segment, we're going to talk about a guideline that will help you to develop strong subjects. We want you to write with strong declarative writing, which will end up reducing your word count. Declarative writing means that the actor of your action is clearly the subject and it's clearly doing the action. Now, there are two really problematic words that we often use as subjects, and we want to show you what those are so that you can watch out for them and eliminate them. There and it. They're the bad guys in the subject category. So when I use there as the subject of a sentence, it's not really a person, place, or a thing. It's an abstract concept. It's not an actor doing the action. Let me give you an example of a sentence. Okay, so this sentence is a guideline, meaning that this sentence, there are three ways we can reduce costs, is not grammatically incorrect. Grammatically, it's okay. However, it's wordy, and I don't tell who is doing what. This is a wimpy subject. So whenever I see a subject at the beginning of my sentence, I want to circle it and cross it out. I'm going to get rid of the there. Let's rewrite the sentence using the words that we've already got to express a clear actor of the action. Now this is a good sentence. We can reduce costs in three ways. Can you hear that it's declarative and it has a strong, clear relationship between the actor of the action, which is the we, and the actual action, which is can reduce. We can reduce costs in three ways. Eliminate the there, rewrite the sentence to show who did what. Plus, we reduced our word count by one word, and every word matters. Now let me put up another bad guy subject word, and that is it. Again, generally, it is a weak subject. Let me give you an example in a sentence. Okay, so first of all, I look at this sentence and every time, again, I'm on alert for there's and it's, and I look at this sentence and I go, oh, I've got an it. I'm going to circle it. Now I'm going to do a word count, and I've got 10 words in this sentence. So I look at that it, and I ask myself, is it functioning as a person, place, or thing? It is important, and it's not. It's functioning as a weak subject. It is my verb. Weak relationship, weak sentence. Let's restructure the sentence to have a clear, powerful actor of the action. Wow, I've just strengthened that sentence and made it a declarative sentence. We must comply with the policy change. And I've reduced my word count from 10 to 7. So not only am I helping the person reading the sentence go from A to Z faster, but I'm writing in a more powerful way with a much clearer description of what's going on in the sentence. I answer that question, who did what? So when you look at your sentences, you want to be on hyper alert for theirs and its functioning as weak subjects. Now with it, I want to also add that sometimes and it can be a strong subject. Let me give you an example. Okay, in this case, I actually have two sentences. It's important to show you that because, well, let's go ahead and identify the it. I'm going to circle the it, and remember, I'm on hyper alert because this guideline says we want strong subjects, there and it, often or weak. I look at this it, and I ask myself, is it functioning as a weak or a strong subject? Well, how I answer that is by asking this question. Does the it have a clear referent? In other words, is it functioning as a clear pronoun in that sentence? And in this case, it is. We bought the book. It, or in other words, the book, is getting great reviews. So in this case, it is a strong subject. It's okay, it's functioning as a pronoun with a clear referent. Unlike the sentence that I wrote previously that said, it is important that, there was no clear referent for that pronoun. So as you're going through and editing your work and your papers, take time to circle your theirs, circle your its, and ask yourself, are they functioning as a clear pronoun with a referent? If they're not, they're weak and wimpy, and you need to make the sentence strong by putting in a clear actor of the action.